Today I have this broken Nintendo DS from a lot of consoles I bought over a month ago. I purchased about 2-3 weeks ago a brand new replacement shell, and we're going to be replacing the shell with this brand new black one today. These shells have actually improved from my general understanding, so these are actually a bit better than they previously were. They actually are considerable good replacement to the originals considering how bad they can get. So today we're going to be replacing the shell on it, and it actually does work and function as a regular Nintendo DS. So without no further ado, let's talk about what happened to this. Now this Nintendo DS has undergone the brittle shell. This was damaged in shipping, and I'm not sure how this came to this, but it's unfortunate that this is happening to these Nintendo DS consoles. Though they still work, they need new shells, and 2 years ago people were complaining about how Nintendo DS shell replacements were not the best. However, they've actually gotten better. And actually it does work. So that is very good. And without any delay, let's get right into it. To finish off the video, here is the completed product. I believe this turned out very, very good. It looks a lot better than it previously was, and the shell isn't actually that bad. The hinge is not too bad. It's pretty firm, to be honest, and the buttons don't feel all that bad. Pretty clicky. I actually really like these repro shells versus those ones falling apart. and I think these are better. However, I did mess up on a few things, and I'm going to be honest with this. The digitizer doesn't work, and the lens didn't go on perfectly because the screen was a little crooked and there's a bit of dust here. However, I did get it working, and that's all that really matters. I think the digitizer is faulty before anyways, because I don't remember testing it all that much, so it's not a big deal as long as this looks brand new again. I'm very happy about that. Somebody will enjoy this. However, talking about the old shell, we have the front mid frame, which did actually not have any cracks on it except for that little damage in the corner there, so this is actually usable. And this bottom shell, though a little dirty, it can be spray painted and sanded, and it can turn out much better. And I also was able to get a full button set as well as a hinge cap from this, so not too bad. Somebody will be able to use these parts, so. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.